pressures have plateaued.
Okay, space fans, it's time to look ahead and see what the stars and planets portend for 2016, by which I mean what news can we expect from the world of space science over the coming year. First, just a reminder that the past 2 years have been pretty exceptional from the perspective of solar system exploration. They include Europe's Rosetta mission to orbit and land on a comet, and NASA's New Horizons probe arriving at Pluto, the most distant world ever explored. Both of those missions are still sending back data, so expect to hear more from them in the coming months. But this year, attention will shift to the largest planet of all, when NASA's JUNO spacecraft reaches Jupiter in July. JUNO's main objective is to go into a highly elliptical orbit that will bring it very close to Jupiter at regular intervals. This will allow a more precise measurement of the gravitational field of Jupiter's core, which, along with other data, will provide a clearer picture of how gas giant planets like Jupiter are formed. Meanwhile, several new missions are being launched this year, all with some degree of Canadian participation. First up is ASTRO-H. It's a Japanese high-energy X-ray telescope that launches in early February. X-rays are emitted by some of the hottest, most energetic phenomena in the universe, including gas funneling into giant black holes in our galaxy and others. The new space telescope will offer the best view of these phenomena so far, thanks in part to a Canadian component that will help keep the two ends of that 12-meter-long telescope properly aligned. In March, attention will shift to the planet Mars, the European-Russian trace gas orbiter, which will circle the red planet and hunt for minute amounts of gases like methane. The presence of methane could indicate some interesting geochemical reactions under the surface and help determine if deep down Mars is still a hospitable place for microbial life. Finally, in September, the Osiris-REx mission will take off on its way to a small Earth-crossing asteroid named Bennu. In 2018, the mission will rendezvous with Bennu and try to scoop a small sample of the asteroid for return to Earth. A key part of this mission is the Canadian laser system that will be used to precisely map the asteroid and help mission engineers find the best location to capture a sample. If all goes well, we'll get that sample back in 2023. Stay tuned to coverage of these and other missions in 2016. Until then, have a spacey new year.